Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Santander Bank account. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into Santander Bank account, start by clicking open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in santander.com and press enter. You've landed in the official website of Santander Bank account. Santander Bank, formerly known as Sovereign Bank, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Spanish Santander Group. It offers an array of financial services and products including retail banking, corporate banking, cash management, mortgages, credit card, capital markets, trust and wealth management, and insurance. If you have a bank account on Santander Bank and you'd like to log into your account online from the official website, go to the top right corner and click on this drop down over here, select your country, and now click on the login button at the top right corner in the next tab. You'll be able to see an expanded pop-up displayed on the screen. Start by entering your username that is associated with your account. Make sure to type in your user ID correct, and then head over to the next box and type in the password for your account. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, then you can click on this links right here at the bottom where it says forgot user ID to look for your user ID. Similarly, if you don't remember your password at all, go and click on this forgot password link at the bottom and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. Similarly, you can choose other login services at the bottom of the screen by clicking on this drop down over here. Select one of the areas from where you'd like to log in and click on OK in order to log into your account. So after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Santander Bank account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.